So here we have the Hyundai Ioniq on a 19 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot and then we'll hop in and run through some controls from there. As we approach the back of the car, you'll see we have reversing sensors, plenty of boot space as well, along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the right hand side we have the battery charge level. On the left hand side the car will show you whether it's currently charging its batteries as you drive along, whether you're driving in eco mode or using the power band for the car. In the centre we have the speedometer and the fuel gauge for the vehicle. And just to the right of that you can see the total miles, which are 6,517. If we back out to the steering wheel, on the left hand side first of all we have stereo and phone controls. And on the right hand side we have buttons that will change the information displayed on that right hand section just there for various different menus. These two buttons just here. We also have cruise control. Once you set cruise control, if you hit this button, the car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the centre, we have the touchscreen for the car. So you can get back here to get to a main menu. From there, you can access your radio. You'll see that this car has got DAB, FM and AM radio available to you. You can go back to the home screen from there. If you want to listen to your own music, you would hit this tab just there. It's greyed out at the moment because nothing is connected. You can connect up an auxiliary device, a USB device. You can stream music wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. And depending on the phone you have, we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay as well. This car's also got satellite navigation. There's a full video showing how that works on our website and YouTube channel. And if I pop the car into reverse, a full colour reversing camera with guidelines that show you what direction the car is headed in relation to the image being shown on the screen. We have the volume for the stereo just there. And then working our way down, we have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger temperature, the driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed. You can determine where you'd like the air to be distributed once it enters the vehicle. When you're happy with those settings, that button turns your air conditioning on. It'll turn it off again as well, of course. Or hit auto. The car will now maintain the temperatures you've asked for by taking full control of the fan speed for you and the direction of the air as well. To override it, just make any manual adjustment. You'll see auto has now gone off. You can put it back on your own settings from there. We have two 12-volt charging sockets as well as the auxiliary and USB inputs. If your phone is able to charge wirelessly, pop it on that pad and it'll begin to charge as long as the car is running. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. We have a heated driver seat and passenger seat, both with 3 different heat settings each. We also have an air conditioned seat for driver and passenger, again with 3 different temperatures available. We have a heated steering wheel, and this button turns the parking sensors for the car on and off. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.